Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tomato soup for dinner. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, a medium onion, a few cloves of garlic, and some fresh basil. Make sure you have a large pot and an immersion blender or a regular blender ready to go. This simple recipe is perfect for a cozy evening meal. Next, prepare your soup base. You can roast your tomatoes, onion, and garlic for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or sauté them in olive oil until softened. Then, add about 4 cups of vegetable broth to the pot. Bring it to a gentle simmer and let it cook for approximately 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Now it's time to achieve that perfect creamy texture. Carefully transfer the hot soup to a blender, or use an immersion blender directly in the pot. Blend until it's completely smooth, ensuring no large chunks remain. Return the blended soup to the pot and gently reheat. For an extra touch of richness, stir in a splash of heavy cream or a dairy-free alternative like coconut milk. Your homemade tomato soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with fresh basil leaves or a drizzle of olive oil. It pairs wonderfully with a warm, crusty bread or a classic grilled cheese sandwich for a comforting dinner. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.